This 5-minute solution will show you how to link Spotify to Facebook page. Follow these easy steps to link your Spotify with your Facebook page. First of all, make sure you have the access to edit the Facebook page. If you're an admin of the page, then let's switch to the page. And now go to your page profile, scroll down and tap on edit public details. Scroll down. Here you will get this links section. Now we need to add our Spotify links here. So tap on edit and tap on add social link. Tap on platform. And here, search for Spotify. Select Spotify. In this username box, you have to write your Spotify account username. Then tap on done. Save. And that's it. As you can see, my Spotify has been added to my Facebook page. And now on, any visitors will be able to directly visit my Spotify by tapping on this Spotify button on my Facebook page. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.